Namaste and good morning. So today we're going to work on balance posture. So today we are starting with a tree posture, or in Sanskrit it's called Vrikshasana. So we're going to start with the left foot first. So press your left foot, shift your weight on the left foot, lift your right leg up. And your hands can be on your hips. So this is the first step. Next one is opening your hips. So you're trying to take your right knee to the right side. You might be here, here or here. Even try to balance here. Once you get comfortable, maybe start from here. Even you can use your toe on the floor, foot below the knee or above the knee, not on the knee. And then slowly, maybe play with your arms. Try to bring your arms in the side. Main thing here is focus. So try to focus something on the wall or on the floor, any dot that will help you to concentrate. Maybe move your arms up toward the ceiling. Try to put your hands together. Hold, maybe meditate. And if you want to challenge yourself or want to go to the next level, then you have to bring your right foot on the left thigh as higher as you can. Again, find the balance. Take your arms toward the ceiling. Take your right arm behind the back, and you are trying to reach to your left foot. If you are finding hard, maybe use a small towel. Left arm toward the ceiling. Take a deep inhale. With the exhale, you are trying to fold forward. Again, the focus is the important thing. So you have to focus on something. So now, your left hand is on the floor. Now you can release your right hand too. And you are trying to balance on the left toe. Again, focus on something. And then you can try to bring your both hands in front of the heart. Once you have a good practice, even you can add one leg curl here, where you're tucking your knees on the triceps and lifting yourself up and slowly come back. In yoga, the most important thing is the way you get into the posture, come out from the posture the same way, and you are slowly coming back and then releasing the leg, shaking the leg. And we will try the same thing on the other side. So that's all for today. Thank you very much and namaste.